Okay guys, we're gonna be heading out and we're at Ram Off-Road Park in Colorado Springs, in Colorado. So yeah, we're gonna take some laps here and have some fun. So let's get to it. This is the front track. We're gonna have another video about the back track. So stay tuned. Take a break real quick. Got something in my
Mm-hmm.
can't make the full thing. You just gotta butter the ones you can make. So. Buttered. Can't even do this one. Butter the whole thing. Butter all these drums. So this is kind of what we're looking at for this rhythm section. So we're gonna hit that table, come over here, hit that double, and then hit the little step up.